everybody. I just want to share my experience with Dr. Lamb. And let me first say, I'm the eternal skeptic. I'm very challenging of everything. And so what I did is I started to see increasing hair loss. I started to do a lot of research and obviously arrived on the fact that Dr. Lamb appeared to be the best in the market. I then took it a step further and went to the company or the doctor that does my PRP, and I asked their offers after I've already received recognition for Dr. Lamb, and they too came back and said Dr. Lamb was the best. So here I am. I was obviously very nervous coming in, and I really didn't want kind of a pin doll approach. I was very skeptic, but through the process yesterday, it was a long day, but I don't remember much of it because I was out for a lot of it. But surprisingly, I was in virtually no pain. They gave me pain medication, and I've only taken one pill, and I don't plan to take any more. So they ended up getting a lot more hair than they even said they would. So that's pretty encouraging. So obviously one day out, but I'm very encouraged by the projected results, and